The classic push-and-play walker helps kids develop gross and fine motor skills. Safety resist clickers provide resistance when the wagon is pushed to hold steady for beginning walkers. This allows toddlers to build confidence and balance while the busy board provides sensory activities. Sensory activities include interlocking gears, clicking sliding numbers, textured shapes, and more. The spinning beads introduce letters and numbers. It also features built-in covered rear storage. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Sensory play. This is both a push baby walker and activity center, allowing children to build confidence and balance as they learn to walk. The sensory activities encourage imaginative play and include interlocking gears, sliding numbers, and more. Number 2. Develop motor skills. This wooden baby walker has 2 modes of play, push walker and sensory play. These modes help toddlers gain confidence in walking and develop fine and gross motor skills. Number 3. Walk safely. Equipped with safety resist clickers, the classic push and play walker provides resistance when walking. The clickers ensure the safety of beginner walkers. Number 4. Rear storage. With the rear storage bin, your child's favorite toys can join every adventure. Number 5. Specifications. Assembled dimensions are 17 inches length by 15 inches width by 16.5, Heigh. Recommended for kids ages 1 to 4 years. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.